Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I have another Pilot Wives Club box. It is a bi-monthly, so every other month subscription box for $60. They do ship worldwide, but I believe if you are outside the United States, you have to pay for shipping, I believe is what I saw. And this is the second time I've gotten this box, and really, cool subscription. And you guys, look at the box. I'm actually up there, you guys can't see it, is the other box, because I thought it was so pretty and so cool that I kept it. So let's just get in here. So here's the box. And if you go out on their website, you can see what's going to be in the next box. And you guys, it's good. Like, it's amazing good. So go check it out. All right, so this box. So it says, this month we're pulling together the perfect fall fit. I had the best time teaming up with Barking Pixel, another amazing small aviation biz just down the road from me. To create one of the designs in here. I don't want to give it away. And another item. Okay, can't give you any more because they're just, they are just spoilers. So let's just get into the box. All right, the first item, which would have been spoiled if I had kept reading, is a handkerchief. Let's get into this. So what did they say about the handkerchief? It says, and that handkerchief, I pictured it tied effortlessly around your neck. Just the right touch of cozy flair for those cozy fall days ahead. This is really pretty. Isn't that really pretty? Now I'm gonna get up close because do you see the airplanes? The airplanes on it. So a touch of aviation. So that is really pretty. Now, I'm not going to wear this around my neck. I don't have an outfit just off the top of my head that I could pair with it. However, I have got some of my work bags that are like, would look very well with like these two colors that I actually am going to tie the bag around one of the shoulder straps. Yep, that's what I plan on doing. So let me fold this back up. Okay, the next item was going to get spoiled if I kept reading. So let's see here, the small aviation biz, which is Barking Pixel. That is who she teamed up with to create the sock design. Does it look familiar? It's the same design as the scarf. So these are Barking Pixel Scots in partnership with Pilot Wives Club. All right, and let's see, what else do they tell us? They're unisex, 80% cotton, 18% polyester, 2% elastane. It says arch support, reinforced heel and toe, hand-linked flat seams. And I'm sure somebody out there knows what these symbols mean. I'm going to have to go look. But on the back here, isn't that a cool tag? Right there, I think, are the washing instructions. I'm assuming. I'm going to have to look up what those are. But I think that's it. But aren't those the coolest, you guys? I love those. All right, we have another item. And look at the little bag. She had to have had those custom made. Like, that's just like the extra touch. See what I'm saying? Like, you get this box to experience it and enjoy it. Let's see what's inside it. Oh, there's multiple things inside because I'm like, things are just falling out. Oh, and I like. All right, we got 3 stretchy bracelets. So the first one, there we go. The second one, and the third, that has the little airplane on it. So let me try those on. So they are stretchy, but there they are, guys. Love it. Oh, I love it. I mean, how many people have little bracelets like this that have an airplane on them? Probably the people that do are the other subscribers. But I am going to keep this because isn't that a great travel pouch? You know, or let's say you need to take something off and put it in there, seal it, drop it in your purse. That's great too. Our last item in the box. Oops. Things are weighted down and falling over. Okay. It's a t-shirt. So it is a V-neck t-shirt. It is Bella Plus Canvas heirloom jersey. And it is 100% cotton. It says wash with like color. Do not iron, decoration, machine wash cold, only non-chlorine bleach, tumble dry low, low iron, do not dry clean. And I'm reading all of that to you because I'm finding that some of my subscribers, they want to know that. And I'm glad they gave me that feedback because I never even thought about it. So those of you that asked for those extra details, thank you. Oh, look. Blue skies, tailwinds. Is that what it says? Tailwinds or tailwind? Tailwinds. Love that. Isn't that's neat? Not only that, but it's different. I mean that, how many times am I going to say it? That. I really like it. So this is a size large. And the size large, it's really long. But I like that because like this would be perfect like with leggings. I like it. Okay, so I love the box for this quarter. Or no, not this quarter, this month. So recap, it's $60 every other month, free shipping in the United States. They ship worldwide, but you do have to pay shipping. We got the t-shirt, these bracelets. We got the cool design that they designed specifically for the box. And we got the matching handkerchief. And let's not forget, we got this cool box, you guys. I mean, seriously, display it. I've got mine displayed. I love it. So great. Well, another happy box unopening. So thank you, as always, for spending some time with me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and take care. Bye, everyone.